Hello, Jazzrack here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the OOTP Community Wiki file gallery. Alright, so I'm going to assume you're just a regular old standard user, maybe just registered. So, we'll go to the file gallery. We're going to assume, we'll look at it this way. We're going to assume you're out of the park baseball. Assume maybe you're a logo and uniform maker. So we'll click logos and graphics. And we'll click this. This is the easiest way. There is another way, and I'll walk you through it quickly later on. At the end, create a gallery. You'll create a name. Displays files. Um, type description. You want to decide if it's public or not. Public isn't if you can isn't about seeing it. It's about being able to upload and change it. I don't know what files. I don't know what that means. Perms and backlinks can be checked. In this instance, 99 times out of 99.9 times out of 100, you're not going to use that. No one is, but maybe an admin here and there, and I don't even see why I would. So we'll create the parent gallery logos and graphics. You can use these if you need them. You want to select your categories. So you click baseball, graphics. If you need a category added, let me know. We're happy to add it. Or maybe I'll give you editor access. You can add it yourself. Then you want to click display properties. Now really the only thing in this, you can go through all these. The only thing is which you can choose which view you use. We'll leave it at Finder view for now. And so that's it. We've just created a gallery. We'll click Save. Does its thing. And there we go. As you can see, now here's a file structure, and you've got a nice new interface here. Now, let's create. Now, this is how another way you can create it. I personally like the other interface because then you don't have to go back and change things like categories and displays. And if you do it this way, you do. But for now, we'll call it logos. And let's say I want a logo. So I'm gonna open that folder, even though you don't have to. It drags and drops. And let's just say I'm gonna choose. How big is this? Now see, I can go like this way. I will use these corporate links for the thing. Can upload that. Now there is a limit to how many, the number of files. I think it's like 20, 32 megabytes or 20 files. I'm not entirely sure, but you can just drag and drop them, just like that. Now it's 32 megabyte limit total and or per file, and I think the maximum that you can drag and drop, like I just did, is 20. And you can't drag and drop file structures. You can't drag and drop the folder over. Like I couldn't drag and drop. I'll just show you. Corporate logos. So you have to create the folder and then drag and drop the stuff in there. So that's a limitation. But that's pretty much it. Then you've got, you can right click. You can get info, and there's your links right there. There's your wiki syntax if you need it, and there's a link to share if you want to share it on like the out of the park baseball forums or something. And that's pretty much it. That's how to use the file galleries. I will make another video on how to create a basic wiki page. But in terms of file galleries, that's it. The nice thing about this is now if I want to, I can change file structures. Let's say I want to, I don't know if I have access. You might need editor access for this. So I wanted to cut this and put them here. Oops. Alright. Now the thing is, the links haven't changed. That link is still the same because it pulls it pulls a instead of the path, the link actually pulls the wiki object number. So you can actually change file structures in your galleries without, you can change, oh crap, I screwed up, I want it to show display differently without changing any of your links that you've shared. So it's awesome that way. And again, you can also use the browse images. Um, that's how that looks. And you get these. So that's it. That's how you use the galleries. I think we've pretty much covered everything. Until